All right, so now that we have that, we need to graph it. And you notice how there's no x-axis, there's no y-axis, right? Like nothing is on here. So what we're going to look at is our y first. That's going to go up and down. Well, I need to go from negative 1,000 to 200. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 12. That's a little far. So we probably are going to have to go by 200s. So we're going to start at negative 1,000 down here. And then we're going to go by 200. So that means negative 800s at the next line. Negative 700. Oh, I'm sorry, 600. Negative 400. Negative 200. This would be 0. Then we're going to go up positives, right? 200, 400, 600, 800, and then 1,000. Okay? So notice how we have our x-axis, and that is going to be our y. And that's going to be money earned, right? Until I hit past that 1,000 mark, I'm not earning any money. Then for our x-axis, we're going to go across here, right, at 0, because that's where our x-axis and our y-axis meet, is at 0, right? And I could probably just count by 5. So this is going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and then we can stop because we don't need to. But our x, remember, is the number of items sold. And again, I'm getting all of this information from up here, right? Y is the total money or the money earned, right? That's saying the same thing. And X is the number of items, okay? The number of items. So now all I'm going to do is plot my points. So I have 0 and negative 1,000. Well, 0 on the x-axis, negative 1,000 would be down here. Then 5 and negative 700 would be here. 10 and negative 400 would be here. 15 and negative 100 would be here. And 20 and positive 200 would be there. And you could probably keep following that same slope, right? If you wanted to. Totally up to you. But that's kind of what our line would look like. So if we're talking about why is this relationship a function, we're going to say every x has one y. And this, if you have no idea what that means, is a-okay. It is linear because it is a constant rate of change. Is our slope positive or negative? Does it go up positive or down negative? Up positive. What is our slope? What's our m? 60 over 1 or 60, right? Now, in the real life problem, we are making $60 per one item sold. Remember how last week we talked about that? And it was we have to use both the top of the slope, the change in x, and the change in y. I'm making $60 for every item that I sell. Whether or not it's a profit, now that's a different story. But I'm still earning money, right? Every time I sell a product. So hopefully that helps you a little bit. Great job, Falcons.